Hi viewers, welcome back to AVP Properties Hyderabad YouTube channel. You are watching Northstar Allura luxury gated community villas at Kokapet, Hyderabad. This is phase 2, 19 villas in that completely sold out. Only 7 units are available, limited units. 3 east facing, 2 west facing, 1 north facing, 1 is mortgage villa. Whoever interested, please contact us for more details. This is 6.3 acres venture, 54 villas, 14,000 square feet clubhouse. It is well connected to the across the city and international airport and Nehru Outer Ring Road exit number 1 and close to IT hub, financial district, close to all international schools, malls and hospitals, your daily needs and hotels. This is construction by Red Bricks, complete red brick villa. You are watching structure. Maximum villas are started structure yet to start 1 or 2 villas. So if you want any kind of modifications also allow. If you're really interested, please let us know for more details. Thank you. If you are watching first time AVP Properties Hyderabad YouTube channel, please subscribe, like and share your friends and family members. Click on bell button, you will get notification West Hyderabad real estate. If you want to purchase a villa in West Zone, please contact us. If you want to sell a villa, please let us know.